Dropship.io is a platform that facilitates dropshipping by connecting online retailers with suppliers, primarily from AliExpress. Here's how to use Dropship.io effectively. Sign up and log in. Start by signing up for an account on Dropship.io. Once registered, log in to access the platform. Product sourcing. Use Dropship.io's interface to browse and select products from their catalog or directly import products from AliExpress. You can filter products based on categories, popularity, pricing, and supplier ratings. Import products. When you find a product you want to sell, import it to your Dropship.io dashboard. This action transfers all product details, images, descriptions, variants, and pricing into your account. Customization. Customize imported products to fit your branding and pricing strategy. You can edit product titles, descriptions, and adjust prices as needed. Order management. When a customer purchases a product from your online store, place the order on Dropship.io. They handle order fulfillment by forwarding the order details to the supplier on AliExpress, who then ships the product directly to the customer. Tracking and support. Dropship.io provides order tracking information to both you and your customers. They also offer customer support for any issues related to orders or product sourcing.